Miss your favorite WWE superstars body slamming the competition? I'm going to show you how to stream all the wrestling action straight from your Netflix account, even if you think it's not available in your region. First, let's confirm the obvious. Open up Netflix on your device and search for WWE. As you can see, nothing pops up in the search results in my region. This is because Netflix's content varies from country to country. This is where a VPN comes in. A VPN, or virtual private network, allows you to connect to servers in different countries, making it appear as if you're browsing from that location. Select a VPN that has servers in countries which stream WWE content on Netflix. The United States is a reliable option. Activate your VPN and connect to a server in your chosen country. Once connected, give Netflix a minute or two to refresh its content based on your new virtual location. Now, go back to Netflix and search for WWE again. Voila! WWE content should now be visible. You can now browse through the available wrestling documentaries and series. That's all there is to it. Enjoy the amazing world of WWE on Netflix. If this helped, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.